Here are 5 incredible benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1, reset your gut. It takes massive amounts of energy, blood flow, and resources to digest a meal. Think about the last time you had a big meal. Thanksgiving, Christmas. Was your immediate thought, I am so energized, I'm focused, I'm ready to go get some work done? No, your thought was, let's go sit on the couch and become a couch potato. So we want to reset that gut, give it some time to heal, and that's what intermittent fasting can do. Number 2, fasting could strengthen your immune system. As a matter of fact, a 72-hour water fast has been shown to reset your entire immune system. Number 3, it boosts your body's self-healing and repairing mechanisms through a process called autophagy. Your body is so smart, when you're not eating food energy, it needs to do something about energy. So it goes and it looks for bad cells, bad mitochondria, and it starts to repair that via cellular and protein turnover. This is a process called autophagy, and it's clearing out the junk and throwing out your expired cells and regenerating those cells for healthier stem cells. The third benefit of fasting is a DNA reset. Yes, you cannot change the genes you were born with, but you have a lot of control over the expression of those genes, and that's called epigenetics. Fasting is one of the best ways to start dimming down the light of bad genes and turning on the light of healthy genes. And that's because of that process that we just spoke about called autophagy. Number 4, hormone optimization. There's over 600 hormones in your body, but I'm gonna talk about a couple here. Insulin, which is a fat storage hormone, thyroid T3, which is a fat burning hormone, and leptin, which could also be a fat burning hormone. When you practice fasting, these hormones become more sensitive because you're reducing inflammation around your cells. Now the hormones could do a better job of connecting to those receptor sites and helping you burn fat, produce energy, and feel good. Number 4, you save time and money. I did the math for you. If you were to skip breakfast Monday through Friday, and let's say you spent $15 on breakfast every day, in a year you would save $3,900. And if you spent 15 to 20 minutes on that breakfast, you'd get back 5.4 days in that entire year. And lastly, stem cells. You might have heard of stem cells. People pay a lot of money to get stem cells injected into them, but guess what? Your body can produce stem cells naturally. When your body goes through that process of autophagy during a fast, and it has determined a cell is called a senescent cell, also known as a zombie cell, there's no function, the body will send a signal to get rid of that cell. This is called apoptosis, programmed cell death. Once it gets rid of that cell, it produces a new cell, which is a stem cell, which could be used for your brain, your liver, wherever the body sends it. And all this is happening during fasting. If you want to learn more about how to practice fasting the right way, go download my free guide over at fastingcheatsheet.com.